good morning one more time. Ruben George, Wassa Corporate Communications. Alright, I am in deep south this morning, alright, down in Brea. Alright, and behind me there is some excavation works going on. There's a 6-inch main below there that is leaking. Okay, so what seems to be a serious issue here in Brea is the movement of the land. Alright, you could have seen from some of the videos there that the line itself was pulling away, the couplings was just pulling away, and it seems to be a regular problem down in this part of South. Alright, Ruben George, Wassa Corporate Communications. Wassa, we fixing it.